Hey everybody, I'm here to give you your little intro to week 4. Can't believe we're already here, but we are. So first off with our spiritual reflection, I again want to just kind of focus on General Conference. It's coming up for me because I'm recording this on Friday. So if you see this before then I hope you'll take some time to look at this little clip. I'm trying to find one of Elder Bednar and Elder Anderson, I think it is, talking with each other about how to receive inspiration. Now I'm not so sure it is Elder Anderson, but there's a fun little clip about talking about instead of taking tons of notes, maybe trying to focus on what inspiration and what impressions you're getting from the general conference talks, and how that's going to apply to your life. And then if you feel comfortable doing so, I would love to hear some of the things that you guys have been inspired to do or to focus on over in the questions and conversations board. All right, now on for the kind of meat of the week for this week. We have, again, on Monday, our questions and conversations board, spiritual reflection. Tuesday, if you could come to our Zoom room live discussion, we're going to talk a lot about the scientific checklist that hopefully you'll get some prepare work done a little bit earlier that will help you in the class to know better what's going on. So again, that's at 7 p.m. Mountain Time, so make sure you're checking your schedules if you live somewhere else in a different time zone. Then Thursday, you have your prepare quizzes due by 11 o'clock. That is a 2-part quiz this time, again about reading about the scientific flowchart. And then also on Thursday by 11 o'clock, you need to have responded to at least 2 other essays back on the Unit 2 discussion board for the essays. I hope it's starting to kind of gel together here. So you wrote your essay for Saturday about a certain scientist and how they followed that process, and now you are coming back and commenting on at least 2 other people's essays on Thursday. Then on Saturday, remember you need to come back again and respond to anybody who had commented on your paper. And if no one has, then you need to read a 3rd essay. I hope, again, that all these things are in the instructions. It just, I'm sure it gets garbled between classes and different classes. So hopefully it's making more sense. Also Saturday, you have your Explore quiz due that will be covering the things that we're talking about in the live lesson. And then your reflection and evaluation little bonus point. And then speaking of extra credit, there's another extra credit opportunity that is described below the calendar. So basically it is a little form for you to fill out that helps me to know that you are finding feedback. So if you're having a hard time finding feedback, we need to get that fixed. So please let me know either by asking on the questions and conversations board or sending me an email. If you're not finding feedback on things, then that's a problem. So please, please, please let me know that you're finding your feedback. And again, this is worth some extra credit. Help you in case you've missed a few points here in this beginning of the semester is always a little tricky. So this is a good chance to kind of make up some points or store some points up for later. There's also a little tutorial on there to show you how to find feedback linked here, so please make sure you use that. Basically, you're going to be looking for feedback on 3 different assignments back from Lesson 1 and Unit 1. The Unit 1 discussion board, the Unit 1 Enrich essay submission itself, as well as the Explore quiz. I don't care which Explore quiz you use. You could use any of the Explore quizzes that we've done so far, but it does need to be individual feedback and not just whole class feedback. You also need to find your Turn-It-In score. So if you are having trouble with any of those things and finding feedback, then please start with the tutorials, then the questions and conversations board, then email me. All right, that is all. See you later. Bye.